You forgot it wasn't there? Jose's here today, less one mustache. Edgar's gonna put him to work on his favorite platform, the VQ.
He loves VQs. He wishes Super was VQ.
He's really a 2JZ guy, but
the first VQ Super one.
but yeah, that's so funny.
You know how much hate you would get for that? All the VQ guys, like, yeah, man.
Yeah, you would break the internet.
The only argument that VQ guys will have that it's a 3.6 versus a or 3.7 versus a 2.30. That dude, that would give nothing but unwanted attention.
Dude, that would be the worst. All right, so today we're getting to Shem. Well, finally, we're gonna get his old engine out and get it ready for the new engine. It's gonna be completely different. So here's the before. Oh yeah, this is turbo, by the way, but you can't see that. What are we not going to do with the e-brake cable?
Zip tie the fucking boost solenoid wires to it.
Yeah. Yep. So just a friendly reminder.
Your solenoid all the way to the back because your rear mount turbo don't zip tie the fucking wires to the e-brake cable or run it next to the exhaust.
Yeah, do you want to just do a quick recap of what happened with Shem?
They did that, zip tie the fucking wires to the e-brake cable. And taking it off the dyno, when I went for a test drive and I pulled over to look at a couple data logs, I pulled the e-brake, which then pulled the wires on the boost solenoid and kind of like shorted them and shorted out the solenoid. And the damn thing built moon boost and then just kicked the rods out the block. That's the blowhole.
Why would you know? Why would you think anything of pulling an e-brake on a manual car? That's how you don't roll.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
that was
unfortunately for Shem,
fun.
yeah, all of his waiting and patience, he didn't even get a ride in the car.
No, I didn't even get to feel it.
Which really is the worst part of the whole thing. So we're looking forward to getting it done right. And it's gonna look so much better. Yep. Let's see, where's the engine?
Over there in the corner next to my zone.
Oh, put it in the corner?
Yeah. It's like finally getting that first date with that girl that you always wanted to be with and then she just dies.
Here's Shem's engine. We're getting there. Ryan over at Redline Coatings did a great job doing the valve cover, or the timing cover here. The valve covers are just stock black OEMs.
Should be able to dump these motherfuckers right up. Yeah.
Getting this new guy ready for Shem. This is Shem's old engine. As you can see, there's a hole straight through it. Yeah.
Pepperoni.
Oh yeah.
Oh, is the hole?
Is
there not a hole through the actual block? Is it just the oil pan?
I mean, I really think it is. Yeah.
You still got a good block.
Do we? I don't know. No, there's a small hole at the block.
What?
Right here.
Damn.
I feel like it's
I'll
on
get
both
Aaron
sides.
to weld that up.
Yeah, just weld it.
Fuck it.
Fuck it. Oh man, that really blew a hole right through that sucker.
Yeah. So that's the blowhole.
Tigard's a wizard, and got most of this baby hooked up yesterday. Still have a little bit more stuff to do. Waiting on some stuff from... Oh yeah, Ryan's dropping that stuff off today, right? It's Thursday. So we'll be getting the plenum, right? The plenum and the... What else is coming? The upper plenum, intake, all that stuff, yeah. So, then we'll show you the top. But today we've got quite a bit of tuning to do, so we will not be working on Shem's car today. But I'll keep you posted. I'm excited.